Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Sonipat location. It is from Haryana. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for assistant manager or deputy manager in Ashoka University. And if you see the educational qualifications and competences like a bachelor's degree in marketing or English or journalism along with experience in graphics or related fields and minimum 3 to 4 years of work experience in a similar role, deep understanding of digital marketing and production, solid understanding of web metrics, SEO, and digital analytics with the ability to generate, analyze, and interpret data, and excellent oral and written communicational skills, and ability to develop relevant related content for Ashoka's social media platforms and websites, email marketing, blogs, and articles for videos, and all other communicational collaterals. And some more points are also mentioned here. You please check once. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager credit operations in Bajaj Finserv. If you see the job duties and key responsibilities like understanding of the financial loan products and credit policies for unsecured loans, and deliver disbursement quality, clear holds at TCS as per agreed SLE, and knowledge of loan documentation pre-sanction and post-sanction, and the candidate would be responsible for coordination with verification agencies and tracking verification reports on a day-to-day basis, and ability to learn and apply learning quickly, and responsible for disbursement, DM preparation, and QDP processing. And if you see the required qualifications and experience for this job role, like knowledge of loan operations, and the candidate should be a graduate with 1 to 2 years of work experience in operations. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Management Information Systems Executive in Paramount Universal Private Limited. If you see the qualifications required, like bachelor's degrees preferred or equivalent, if you see the job requirements, like develop and maintain daily, weekly, or monthly operational analysis as it relates to value, efficiencies, cycle time, quality, and service, report on operational metrics, conduct data and business analysis, and present summary of finding to management in a clear, concise, convincing, and actionable format. Create and maintain daily operational scorecards to track and report on KPIs, assist in volume forecast and capacity planning as needed. Provide support and maintenance to existing management information systems. Generate and distribute management reports in an accurate and timely manner. These are some job requirements. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for communications designer in Zindal Schools of Art and Architecture. And if you see the skills and experience required for this job role, like a job of all skill and intelligence that are needed for you to be this chronicler per excellence. And this includes but is not limited to videography, photography, animation, coding, writing, graphic design, and everything, and good proficiency in English. Undergraduate or postgraduate degree in communication design preferred but not mandatory, and the candidate should have good graphic design skills, photography and videography skills, and most importantly they are looking for someone interested in quickly design and experimenting with new media tools. These are some skills and experience required for this job role. And if you see the languages known like English, proficiency of written languages preferred, and 2 years of work experience is preferred. interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for data entry assistant in HSN Packaging Private Limited. They require a female data entry assistant, and the ideal candidate should have minimum job experience of 2 years, and the candidate should be fluent in spoken and written English, well versed in MS Excel and good with numbers, and comfortable in traveling to office in Sonipat Monday to Saturday. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Executive or Officer Quality Assurance in Coral Drugs Private Limited. And coming to the job description, like Executive or Officer Quality Assurance completion of supporting documents for change control or deviation or CAPA or OAS, and the candidates are responsible for document archival and upkeeping, preparation of certificate of analysis for dispatch as per sale order, and to work and implement the CGMP practices into all departments as per SOPs, and preparation of SOPs and relative documents. And desirable candidates should have minimum 3 to 8 years of work experience in API post, BSc or MSc or B Pharma. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for a fundraising manager in Rishi Hood University. If you see the job responsibilities, like conduct research on fundraising opportunities, manage effective and inspiring communication with the donors, organize and speak at fundraising events for current and new donors, create corporate decks and outreach materials, leverage and plan marketing strategies for fundraising like emailers, and represent Rishi Hood at networking events, apply for awards and grants, both government and private, and identify and explore donor pools and develop alliance. These are some responsibilities for this job role. And if you see the requirements, like 5 years of work experience in communications, CXO office, peer or marketing experience, and excellence in interpersonal communication skills and ability to build, foster and maintain positive professional relationships, effectively and eloquently communicate with Rishihood vision, and effective public speaking, extroverted and enjoy attending events, updated on social, political and newsworthy topics in order to engage in meaningful conversation with potential donors. These are some requirements for this job role. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Assistant Program Manager in Ashoka University. And if you see the experience required, like graduate with 0 to 2 years of work experience or postgraduates will be preferred. For this job role, like freshers also eligible, and this is a full-time job role and it will be from Monday to Friday on site and on campus. And if you see the job responsibilities, like monitor and track communications and tasks, and ensuring attention to time sensitive issues and long term initiatives, while also providing sufficient background information when needed, maintain accurate and updated records of all correspondence by the Dean's office, handle confidential information pertaining to various arms and functions of the Dean's office, manage the schedule of the Dean while prioritizing critical appointments and events by liaising with other program managers based on Dean's availability. These are some responsibilities for this job role. For more detailed information, check in the description box for the link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.